So we messed up a little bit.
Alright guys, so today we're working on the fence again, and what we've done today is that we've measured the posts and we've cut the tops off, making them all even, and we have cut the rails and we are pre-drilling them and then getting them on. Once we finish this, we will get the slats put on. So we're just doing the flats on the fence today. So we had them all lined up how we wanted, and I just did he did the top two and I did the bottom two. So everything that was cracked or looking kind of warped, we just pre-drilled and then screwed it in.
And we're going with the old pallet wood to give it kind of a rustic look. And as far as the waviness and the unevenness, we were kind of going for that just to give it the rustic look. And if we want, we can just take a circ saw and just kind of zip the top to even it out if you want. We're gonna leave it like this for now, just to see how we like it.
I like it like this. He wanted to take the tops off, but I like the funkiness of it. So
we'll finish the fence up and then see how it looks, and maybe wait a little while, see if we like it or not.
It's gonna stay funky. Yeah, we got our little helper today while the other one is sleeping. It's gonna be fun.
Cranky. You like the gate, Chachi?
Yes! Every color of it, okay? So I'm going to get blind.
You can do it.
Good job. Hold the other side.
Mom, over. No, you can go in.
Now I can go in?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. So you're letting me go in?
You can go in.
Okay. Thank you. What do you got in your hand?
A baby.
A feather from what? You're gonna what? Oh, you want me to be a farmer with you?
Yeah.
Is that what you're gonna do in here? You're gonna farm?
This is the farm Eddie.
What are you picking there?
So, here, mother.
Thank you. Mother? So when do you call me mother? Thank you. While I was taking the nails out of the boards, Tim has been putting one hole in one screw in these posts. Hold on, Charleston, so we can just get it up. He's gonna go back to work, so we want to make sure it's up in case we have some trees come in that we ordered offline. So gonna get it done and then put more screws in hopefully today.